This is Dan Schwellenbach with the Military Mortgage Boot Camp here with this week's Realtor Recon. And this week I want to talk about the quality of the VA loan. I'm still hearing from some real estate agents that they're afraid to present an offer, and it shouldn't be the case for you. As we look at the couple things I've got up here, we've got the default percentage. Now the VA loan is the most successful loan available with all the different loans that we can compare it to. So if we look at the VA, the default rate on any loan that's done with the VA is 1.98%, which is excellent. So if we go to the conventional, they're the next best. They're at 2.47% of all loans will default. Then we go to FHA. It's got a pretty poor, that might have changed a little bit, but it's still pretty accurate at 9.1%. So there's a lot of default in the FHA. So the VA is still the best performing loan out there. And if we look over at the default protection, so if a lender is going to be putting together a loan, they want to make sure that they're protected in the event of the default. So if Fannie and Freddie, there's no protection there at all. So if there's a foreclosure, they walk away from the loan for whatever reason, they're stuck with that on their books. Now you go to the FHA, they've got some insurance in there, but good luck. I just want to let you know it's not an easy process, and the bank does not always get help from FHA and Ginnie Mae. So now with the VA, that's the only one that is actually guaranteed. There's a VA funding fee that goes along with every mortgage that's put out there with the VA. So in the event that there's a default, they have an account that they can dig into to help and they guarantee 25% of that loan amount. So if it's a $200,000 loan amount, the VA will guarantee $50,000 of that to the bank that's doing that loan. So it's a very safe loan. The banks love it. The default rate is very good. The borrowers are all very reliable. So that's why they're very strict in the way that they were brought through the process when they were in the service. So very disciplined people. They make their payments. So it's a great loan. And if you're with a lender that understands it, it also gets done properly and on time. So if you have anybody that's in that situation, or you want me to help present that to the listing agent, I'd be more than happy to help you with that as well. So thanks for stopping by this week, and we'll see you next week on the Realtor Recon.